myself busy. Otherwise, I'm
Because
making
these are
all
your
the
fun,
things
no?
uh,
All these activities are your fun.
yeah.
So don't say I'm busy.
Okay.
I'm relaxed.
I'm relaxed. And rest, I'm
I'm
making
busy.
other things done by other my helpers, no. So that way, अगर कोई देखेगा, then they will say कि भाई रेनू is having such a मतलब 4 helpers are there, so I am just saying कि ये कर दो वो कर दो वो कर दो, so that is, so I am busy in that. I'm not busy. I'm easy in that. Yeah.
Okay, let's make sentences. Who's going to send and distribute the verbs today?
Is it my go or Renu Bhabhi's go?
Renu Bhabhi's, I think.
Okay.
Yesterday, Ritu distributed. Yesterday, Ritu, you have distributed, na?
Yeah, yesterday I have distributed.
Ritu, up till where? Which number you have given?
Yeah, I have given randomly.
Randomly? Okay.
Yeah.
Bhabhi, you can also distribute randomly.
Hmm. Okay, my favorite number 120. चलो, okay. 120 नंबर से देखेंगे. Okay. सारिका, your verb is भुगतान करना, pay, paid and paid. Okay. Aparna, your verb is सामान चढ़ाना, load, loaded, loaded. Ritu, your verb is सामान उतारना, unload, unloaded, unloaded. And all are done. And now my, अच्छा
यार
पूनम.
प्लीज पहले बता दो कौन कौन सी कैटेगरी के सेंटेंस बना रहे हो, सबसे पहले ये बता दो.
हाँ पूनम.
चार
Affirmative,
सेंटेंस.
हाँ, affirmative, negative, inverted or any WH, whatever you want.
Affirmative, negative, WH and
Inverted.
inverted. Any tense, no? In any
No,
No,
we are
gonna.
using Gona chapter.
gonna, gonna.
Gona.
Okay, okay,
Gona
okay.
pattern.
अच्छा, my
Going to.
वर्ब परोसना, सेवा करना, सर्व, सर्व्ड, सर्व्ड. या तो परोसा सर्व है और या सेवा करना, दो है वो. तो
Should I start?
yes, yes,
Yes.
start.
Okay, okay. So my verb is pay. Um, every parent, nahi, all parents are gonna pay the school fees increasing school fees upcoming year. सभी पेरेंट्स आने वाले साल में बढ़ी हुई फीस जमा करने वाले हैं. Are all the parents gonna pay increasing fees? क्या सभी पेरेंट्स बढ़ी हुई फीस जमा करने वाले हैं? नो, नेगेटिव. नो, not really. All the parents are not gonna pay pay increasing fees because they are not able to pay lots of much fees. नहीं, सारे पेरेंट्स बढ़ी हुई फीस नहीं जमा करने वाले हैं क्योंकि वे सक्षम नहीं है इतनी बड़ी फीस जमा करने के लिए. So why are the parents not gonna pay increasing fees? पेरेंट्स बढ़ी हुई फीस क्यों नहीं जमा करने वाले हैं? They are not gonna pay increasing fees because of corona pandemic. Most of the people lack of their jobs and they are facing so much economic trouble, so that's why they deny. They are gonna deny to pay increasing fees. So should I complete the process? No, na? Okay.
Last one you can, if you want.
लास्ट वन ना? हाँ, वे बढ़ी हुई फीस इसलिए नहीं जमा करने वाले हैं क्योंकि कोरोना पैंडेमिक के कारण बहुत से लोगों ने अपना जॉब खो दिया है और वो मतलब इकोनॉमिकली प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए वो इस चीज को डिनाई कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, हम बढ़ी हुई फीस नहीं जमा करेंगे, लाइक। ओके।
Hmm. Hmm.
एक मिनट, गोइंग टू मतलब है हुआ तो मतलब था नहीं था, कल अपन ने गोइंग टू था बनाया था ना?
नहीं भाभी,
है ही है।
करेंगे करेंगे है ना,
अच्छा,
फ्यूचर को लेके।
हाँ,
हाँ,
it
फ्यूचर को लेके कर।
resemble like future simple
हाँ,
होगा
we
या
can use
करेंगे,
gonna
होने वाला
instead
है।
of will or shall. Sir has explained na in previous class.
Okay, I'm gonna load some work on my husband upcoming weekend. मैं अपने हस्बैंड के ऊपर कुछ लोड काम का लोड डालूंगी नेक्स्ट वीकेंड पे। Am I really gonna load on my husband upcoming weekend? क्या मैं सही में अपने हस्बैंड के ऊपर काम का बोझ डालूंगी? नहीं डालूंगी ना क्या? हाँ
नहीं डालोगी ऑब्वियसली।
No, I'm not gonna load work on my husband upcoming weekend. मैं आने वाले दिनों में, आने वाले सप्ताहांत में अपने हस्बैंड के ऊपर काम का बोझ नहीं डालूंगी। What sort of work I'm gonna load on my husband? किस तरीके का कार्य मैं अपने हस्बैंड के ऊपर लोड करूंगी? बस
इसमें ये आएगा ना, एम आई गोना, आई एम नहीं आएगा। व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ,
हाँ, what sort of
हाँ,
work am I gonna load on my husband? किस तरीके का काम मैं अपने हस्बैंड के ऊपर लोड करूंगी?
रितु?
Affirmative. I am gonna unload my all mental fatigue. मैं अपने सारे मानसिक तनाव को दूर करने जा रही हूँ, जाऊंगी ना। नेगेटिव. आई एम नॉट गोना अनलोड माई ऑल मेंटल फटीग। मैं अपने सारे मानसिक तनाव को दूर करने नहीं जा रही हूँ। ठीक है। और WH, अपू, आर यू सेइंग समथिंग?
जाऊंगी, जा रही हूँ नहीं, जाऊंगी।
हाँ,
हाँ,
जाऊंगी। मेरे दिमाग में पता क्या बैठा है, गोना मतलब गोइंग टू के बदले बोल रहे हैं अपन, नहीं ना? वही है।
हाँ, gonna means instead of
विल और
shall.
शेल।
पर सर ने बताया था ना कि हम जब गोना बोलते तो उसका मतलब होता है कि हम जाएंगे, आएंगे, खाएंगे, और जब हम गोइंग टू बोलते तो उसके दो मतलब होते हैं, या तो जाएंगे, आएंगे, खाएंगे, या फिर जाने वाले हैं, आने वाले हैं, खाने वाले हैं। तो गोइंग टू के दो मतलब होते हैं, पर वो फ्यूचर में ही यूज करते हैं हम। और गोना का केवल एक ही होता है कि करेंगे, मतलब विल की तरह यूज करते हैं हम,
अच्छा,
है फ्यूचर का ही वो।
हाँ,
Unload means unload यानी बोझ नहीं, क्या
बोझ उतारना, बोझ
नहीं,
उतारना।
अनलोड
हाँ,
उठाना।
अनलोड सामान उतारना।
सामान उतारना।
हाँ, तो तुम्हारा जैसे वर्ड तुमने बनाया, you have made one sentence, तो try to explain this.
प्रैक्टिकल, हाँ प्रैक्टिकल नहीं लग रहा है थोड़ा। चलो अभी इसको कंप्लीट करते हैं फिर देखते हैं। WH why why am I why I am नहीं why I am gonna why am I gonna
Am I?
हाँ why am I gonna unload my mental fatigue, मैं अपना मानसिक तनाव क्यों उतारने जाऊंगी। लास्टली इन्वर्टेड am I gonna unload all my mental fatigue, क्या मैं अपने सारे मानसिक तनाव को अनलोड या उतारने जा रही हूँ या जाऊंगी, उतारने जाऊंगी। पूनम is not there, I think.
Poonam, today she has gone to Byas, na?
Okay.
Or she is going, she has already gone. She is going with Raipur group to Byas
For
for
Seva?
Seva. Yeah.
Oh wow.
She is also going.
Wow.
She
How
has
many
the-
days? For how many days?
she will be back by 9th or 10th. Actually, Raipur group is going. So they are Juhi and Poonam. They both went along with
हाँ.
Raipur group. So yesterday night Hema told me that they are going. I didn't know. So I don't know, but she told me. Okay. So now my verb is serve, मतलब सेवा करना. I'm gonna serve for my Baba Ji throughout my life. मैं अपने बाबा जी की सेवा तमाम जिंदगी करूँगी, पूरी जिंदगी करूँगी। Am I gonna serve for my बाबा जी throughout my life? क्या मैं अपने बाबा जी की सेवा पूरी जिंदगी करूँगी? Yes, I'm gonna serve for my बाबा जी throughout my life. हाँ, मैं अपने बाबा जी की सेवा तमाम जिंदगी करूँगी, पूरी जिंदगी करूँगी। What sort of सेवा am I gonna serve for my बाबा जी? मैं किस तरह की सेवा अपने बाबा जी की करूँगी? किस तरह की सेवा मैं अपने बाबा जी की करूँगी? I will serve all kinds of whatever is required. That सेवा I will do for my बाबा जी. मैं अपने बाबा जी के लिए हर तरह की सेवा जो भी जरूरत हो वो करूँगी.
Bhabhi, please repeat last sentences because you were using will instead of gonna.
I'm gonna do all type of सेवा whatever is required for my बाबा जी. मैं हर तरह की सेवा जो भी जरूरत हो वो अपने बाबा जी के लिए करूँ.
All are done, na?
Now what to do? Chit chatting till the sun.
So
From long.
how is going on your Garba practice?
Awesome. We have done 4-5 dances. Today, sir is teaching very fast. I was like very slow person in that group. So I just move here and there. I just enjoy. But everybody is picking very fast. And today, sir is teaching us one more on song. One more song. So 4 or 5 songs he has done, and now 6th song today he will teach. So that
What is the sir's name? Sachin sir, is this?
I don't know. I can show the picture. I don't know his name.
Please show us some few steps in front of us.
हाँ मजा आएगा.
नहीं आएगा.
Please भाभी.
हम लोग भी करेंगे ना तुम्हारे साथ.
बच्चे will say कि what is mama doing यार.
बोलेंगे
ये इंग्लिश क्लास में आज डांस सिखाया जा रहा है, मतलब इंग्लिश सॉन्ग पे डांस चल रहा है. कंप्लीट पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट इज गोइंग ऑन.
सही में.
Actually,
एक्चुअली क्या है मतलब क्या है कि आई वांट व्हाट एवर आई हैव नॉट डन आई वांट टू डू नाउ, ऐसा हो गया है. सो
Bobby
इफ आई
wants to develop her personality totally. She wants to learn everything.
not everything,
Everything.
it is impossible to us for us to learn everything, but small parts,
You are
something that,
trying to learn
Bhabhi,
everything.
please show
That
us na.
अरे it is very difficult.
Are simple step. You can show.
अच्छा,
Come on,
वो
come on.
उछल उछल के है, क्या करोगे बाबा रे
अरे
बाबा.
उछल उछल के दिखा दीजिए.
अरे बाबा रे बाबा, कैसे देखोगे. ऐसा है एक तो, चलो भैया ये देखो, उसमें क्या ऐसे ये उठाना है, फिर 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 ये उठाना. बहुत है.
Good, good, good.
बहुत
Nice.
recording is going on and the people will say ki what is
ठीक है चलो.
what the people student do yaar in the
तो
class.
नहीं, भाभी विल वो कर देंगी, एडिट कर देंगी, नो प्रॉब्लम, शी विल एडिट.
No, it will be
They
good,
will
it
think
will be good.
sometime somebody can modeling, somebody can dancing.
I have done modeling. And Sarika made this thing. Always she makes us do this kind of
Oh.
thing.
एंड वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू डू एवरीथिंग. बस थोड़ा कोई
हाँ.
बोलने की देर करो.
हाँ.
चलो
ये है,
भैया.
सही बात है.
बस
Today Sarika will sing a song for
Sarika
us.
provoke
Her
us and
voice
we
is
do this.
his voice is very thin and melodious. I think she will be she will be sing very well.
शी विल
Sing for 2 lines for us.
ही नहीं.
Okay. So suggest me which song. do
As you
prefer?
wish.
हाँ, as you like.
As you wish. Okay. Actually, I like so many songs. So please suggest me na. Aparna di, tell me.
Any one of your choice. हम आपकी चॉइस से सुनेंगे.
Which kind of song you
you
are
like?
singing? Do you like?
Actually, I like all the songs, all the
Good
melodious
afternoon,
songs.
sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
सारिका की जान बच गई.
Have you made sentences?
No, continue, please
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Yes, sir, we have made sentences.
Whether you talk a lot about anything, but you should make the given sentences. And now tell me, Renu, you tell me, are you satisfied with the use of gonna?
Yes, sir. Now we got it.
Ask the same question to Ritu.
Ritu, are you satisfied with the use of gonna?
I think I have to more practice for
You
gonna.
want more? Okay. One more day, sir.
One more.
Ask Aparna.
Aparna, are you satisfied with making sentences gonna? Making sentences with gonna?
I'm satisfied. I am satisfied to use of going to
Sarika.
pattern. Okay, Sarika, are you satisfied?
Satisfied. This is passive voice.
Satisfied of use of gonna?
Actually, not really. I can make the sentences, but I think I need one more day.
Ladies, now stop it. And he is a chicken. Is this interactive given to you?
No, sir. Sarika, after the class, we will listen you. Don't conclude immediately after the sir. Yeah.
That is nice. You can continue. And let me start with Ritu. Ritu, is this sentence visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, I think that sentence belongs to be present. No,
रितु
sorry.
जिस दिन से तुम आई थिंक लगाना बंद करोगी तब जाके हम समझेंगे कि नाउ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट.
सर,
आई थिंक जो है कई बार लो कॉन्फिडेंस का संकेत देता है.
that sentence belongs to
You
simple
are
present.
absolutely right. You are absolutely right. This is be present. Ask the next related question to Renu.
Renu, do you know what is the Hindi meaning of that sentence?
बेटा ये नहीं, हिंदी मीनिंग तो बाद में हम पूछ लेंगे. नेक्स्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन अबाउट सब्जेक्ट. What is
Okay.
the subject
Renu,
of
what is the subject in that sentence?
He is the subject in this sentence.
Come again, Ritu, with this preposition.
What is Renu? What is the subject of that sentence?
He is the subject of that sentence.
उस वाक्य में subject क्या है?
उस वाक्य में सब्जेक्ट ही है. Aparna, what is the helping verb in this sentence? Of that sentence.
Bhabhi, there is no helping verb in this sentence. Sarika, what is in this sentence?
The is a main verb in this sentence. Ritudi, what is a in this sentence?
A is the article in that sentence. Renu, what is chicken in that sentence?
Chicken is a noun or an adjective in this sentence.
Now let me check separately. Sarika, what is chicken here?
Sir, chicken is adjective here.
Ask the same question to Aparna. Aparna will ask Ritu.
Aparna di, what is chicken here?
Sarika, chicken is adjective here. Renu Bhabhi, what is chicken here?
I think it is a noun here. I don't know, but I think it is a noun. Ritu, what is chicken here in this sentence?
Chicken is object here.
Some of you are absolutely right. Chicken is basically it's a noun. Everybody knows. But in this sentence, it is telling the speciality of the subject. Chicken is basically a noun, but here it is specifying the subject. That's why it is working here as an adjective. It is working here as an adjective. क्योंकि ये यहाँ कर्ता की विशेषता बतला रहा है कि कर्ता कैसा है. अब अगर हम व्यक्तिवाचक बात नहीं कर रहे होते तो चिकन एक नाउन है, हम सब जानते हैं. चिकन चूजिंग बोलते हैं. The Hindi meaning of chicken is chooser. But here, if we are indicating somebody, तो जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, उपमा दी जाती है. अक्सर कोई भी बोलता है, अरे तुम गधे हो यार. तो गधा, सी, donkey or ass is a noun everybody knows. But in this sentence, it is a kind of abuse and it is specifying the person. The speciality of the person, whether it is negative or positive. Speciality. So this is adjective here. Can anybody guess the meaning?
सर वह डरपोक है.
ये देखिए, इस हिंदी के आते ही आप समझ गए होंगे कि यहाँ पे चिकन का मतलब चूजेस से बिल्कुल नहीं है. एक विशेषण की तरह प्रयोग हो रहा है। विशेषण, विशेषण वर्ड इज वेरी एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड हियर। Okay, let's play one round with double questions. Sarika, who is chicken?
Sir, Pappu is a chicken.
कौन है डरपोक?
Sir, Pappu डरपोक है.
How can you, ध्यान से सुन लेना दूसरा प्रश्न. How can you say he is a chicken?
Sir, I can say because he doesn't take any decision himself. जी. Aparna Di, who is a chicken?
I think a person who is afraid of ghost is a chicken.
So how can you say the person is afraid of ghost?
अब यहाँ दूसरा क्वेश्चन डिलीट करवा दिया अपर्णा ने, डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर देख के वो दूसरा क्वेश्चन खत्म कर दिया. अपर्णा, डू नॉट गिव डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर, गिव स्ट्रेट आंसर.
Okay. अरे Rahul Gandhi is a chicken. The name of Rahul Gandhi is a Pappu.
Okay, so how can you say कि Rahul Gandhi is a chicken?
He's a chicken because he is not. He's not using his waste. That's why he is a chicken. He's
See,
not a
please
wise. That's why he is a chicken. He's not a wise. That's why he is a chicken. Bhabhi, Renu Bhabhi, who is a chicken?
Soumya is a chicken.
Why is she chicken? Why do you say he is chicken?
She is chicken because she is always afraid of um, presenting herself. She knows, but she is always in low confidence. That's why she is a chicken. Ritu, who is chicken?
Well, Venu, I am chicken.
Why you are telling that you are chicken?
Because I am telling I am chicken because most of the time I am thinking about Talibanis. That's why I am chicken. Sir, who is a chicken?
Tunnu is a chicken
Sir, why Tunnu is a chicken?
because he never goes to bathroom alone. He says, "Mama, come with me. Bhaiya, come with me. Didi, come with me." He never goes to bathroom at night, especially at night. He never goes to bathroom alone. Renu, what is laser?
Sir, leisure is a noun.
And what is the Hindi meaning of laser?
Leisure मतलब आराम.
Okay. Now ask the next question related to this.
Sarika, what is the Hindi meaning? What is hasty?
Bhabhi, hasty is जल्दबाज.
बेटा what is पूछ रहा था, ये लिखना
What
है.
is adjective or noun?
Oh ho. Bhabhi, hasty is an adjective.
Renu, ask the second question to Sarika herself.
What is the Hindi meaning of hasty?
Bhabhi, the Hindi meaning of hasty should be is jaldbazi. Jaldbazi.
Yes. Now, Sarika, ask the related question. चैप्टर के बारे में पूछो अपर्णा से.
जी. Aparna di, which chapter is this sentence belong? Which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sarika, this sentence belongs to order or request.
Aparna, keep asking one by one question. You will ask one to Ritu or Renu. Ritu is the next. Then Ritu will ask to Renu. Renu will ask to Sarika. Like this.
What is do in this sentence, Ritu?
Do is the verb in this sentence. Renu, what is
Ritu,
in
this is incomplete answer. Aparna, ask again.
Ritu, what is do in this sentence?
Do is first form of verb in this sentence.
So there you are.
Renu, what is in? What is in this sentence?
In is a conjunction in this sentence. Preposition. Okay. Preposition. In is a preposition in this sentence. Sarika, what is hasty in this sentence?
Bhabhi, hasty is an adjective in this sentence. Aparna di, what is and in this sentence?
And is an adjective in this sentence. A conjunction. Conjunction is the sentence. What is repent in this sentence, Ritu?
Repent is repent is an object in this sentence.
Thank you, Ritu. Ritu, ask the same question to Renu. What is repent?
Renu, what is repent in this sentence?
Repent. Repent is a subject?
No.
Ask to Sarika, please.
Adjective. Repent is an adjective in this sentence.
Good. Ask the same question to Sarika.
Sarika, what is repent in this sentence?
Bhabhi, repent is the first form of the another verb. Aparna di, what is in this sentence?
Again, in is a preposition in this sentence. Ritu, what is your in this sentence?
Your is a reflexive pronoun in this sentence. Oh, possessive adjective. Renu, what is leisure in this sentence?
Leisure is an object. Leisure is an object here. Noun. Okay. Leisure is a noun here.
Renu, please ask.
Pashtana. What is the English of pashtana?
What should be the verb for pachtana?
What should be the verb?
ये पूछना है सारिका से.
Sarika, what should be the verb for pashtana?
Bhabhi, the verb for pashtana should be repent. Aparna di, what should be the spelling of repent?
The spelling of repent is R-E-P-E-N-T. Renu Bhabhi, what should be the second form of repent?
The second form of repent should be repented. रिपेंट नहीं, रिपेंट ही होगा, ईडी है या? अच्छा, रिपेंटेड, रिपेंटेड। ओके, व्हाट शुड बी द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रिपेंट, रितु?
The third form of repent should be repented.
अब रितु पूछ लो अगले कैंडिडेट से जिसका भी नंबर है, द मीनिंग, कैन यू गेस द मीनिंग?
Aparna, can you guess the meaning of that sentence?
The meaning of this sentence should be, जल्दबाजी का काम शैतान का।
Do in hasty and repent in your leisure. Okay, Aparna, keep asking. Ask somebody else.
Renu Bhabi, what should be the meaning of this sentence?
जल्दी का काम शैतान का।
Ask to the next.
Okay, Sarika, what should be the meaning of this idiom?
Bhabhi, the Hindi meaning of this idiom should be सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी।
Ask to me.
अच्छा, Ritu wants to try again. Ask her.
Yes.
जी, आप रितु दी, what should be the Hindi meaning of this idiom?
दुर्घटना से देर भली।
Okay, ladies, let me inform you. Sarika, you're guessing, and Ritu, you're guessing. Both are related to Yatayat police. It is not, they are not idioms. They are the quotations of Yatayat police. Can anybody translate word to word? Do in hasty means
जल्दी करो,
जल्दबाजी करो।
जल्दबाजी में की,
and repent in your leisure.
और फिर
आराम
तुम्हें
से।
फुर्सत के क्षणों में पछताना पड़ेगा या पछताओगे या
Let me
पछताते
give
हो।
you one hint. This is a doha.
काल करे सो आज कर,
काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो।
No, it is bad. Two todays is better than one better than two tomorrows.
One today is better than two tomorrows. वो अलग हो गया। ये Aparna, what were you saying Hindi?
Do it nasty and repent in your leisure.
Hindi? Were you guessing Hindi? Somebody was speaking, but voice was chopping because two guys were speaking together. I could not hear.
No, sir. I cannot
अब
guess.
पछताओ तो क्या, जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत, वैसा वाला कुछ है? नहीं,
अच्छा है।
पछताने से अच्छा करने।
बीता हुआ समय वापस नहीं आता।
बिन पेंदी का लोटा।
बिना विचारे जो
बिना
करे
मरे,
सो, बिना विचारे जो करे सो
जो करे
पीछे
तो पाछे पछताए।
बिना विचारे जो करे तो पीछे पछताए।
काम बिगाड़े आपनो जग में होत हसाए,
हाँ,
जग में होत हसाए चित्त में चैन न पावे, कह गिरधर कविराय, आगे का नहीं मालूम। सारिका,
जी। As we know, Navjot Singh Sidhu has resigned the Adhyaksh of Punjab Congress. So we can say,
the presidentship of Congress Punjab.
हाँ जी. As we know, Navjot Singh Sidhu has resigned the president of Punjab Congress.
The presidentship of.
Acha, the presidentship of Punjab Congress. So we can he is the best example of this idiom: do in hasty and repent in your leisure. Because means उनको अब कोई पूछ भी नहीं रहा.
After independence, matlab during independence, when we were getting independence in 1947, that year, when some decision had to take by the all the leaders, and without means it was so haste to take decision to make a prime minister of Jawaharlal Nehru. So in this way we have to dependent for it. So and this kahawat is very well on this event. Do hasty and repent in your leisure. Do in hasty and repent in your leisure.
It is manyata. It is
It is said.
it is said. Nee, it is said. Huh? It is said that Narendra Modi ji has taken demonetization decision in hasty and repent in yourself नहीं हो सकता ना in your leisure. The demonetization decision taken by Narendra Modi results in hasty and repent in your leisure. Narendra, is it okay, sir? Ritu?
I have heard so many times from my childhood, do in hasty and repent in your leisure. But today I am learning, today I have learned in English that बिना विचारे जो करे सो पाछे पछताए. उल्टा.
Thank you, ladies. It reminded me one mantra. Google is taking mantra clearly because Oxford has accepted this word of Hindi in English. That's why Google is accepting it. Actually, these are tongue twisters. So wherever you have written the heading of mantras, you can write it down. It is so beautiful. While your laser measure your treasure with pleasure. My spelling could be wrong, so please you can rectify it and you can inform me. I'm repeating because Google is taking correct spellings. While your leisure, measure your treasure with pleasure. इसका हिंदी उतना मजेदार नहीं है लेडीज, लेकिन मैं बता देता हूँ अगर आप लिखना चाहें तो। एक्चुअली जो टंग ट्विस्टर होते हैं वो इंग्लिश में बोलने के लिए होते हैं ताकि जुबान आपकी उस ढंग से पलटने लग जाए। इसका हिंदी ऐसा होगा कि अपने फुर्सत के क्षणों में अपने खजाने को खुशी खुशी गिनिए। मेजर यानी नापना होता है या काउंट करना भी होता है, गिनना। तो अपने खुशी के क्षणों में, फुर्सत के क्षणों में अपने खजाने को मेजर कीजिए, नापिए, गिनिए विद प्लेजर। इसमें जा जा या जा के बीच के उच्चारण को जीभ अच्छे से आइडेंटिफाई करती है। लेट्स स्पीक वन बाय वन। स्टार्ट विद सारिका।
जी। While your leisure, measure your treasure with pleasure. अपर्णा दी।
While your leisure, measure your treasure with pleasure. रेणु भाभी।
While you are leisure, measure your treasure with pleasure. Ritu?
You should really practice it again and again sometimes. Whenever I give you 3D or 5D or 10D, you must use one of this because your pronunciation needs it. Please come again right now.
While you are leisure, measure your treasure with pleasure.
You really need to use it like a mantra again. Gitu.
Why your leisure, measure your treasure with pleasure. अपने फुर्सत के क्षणों में अपने खजाने को खुशी खुशी गिनिए।
Okay. Ritu, can you tell me which chapter is going on in your batch?
Sir, last day,
लास्ट डे
yesterday,
नहीं बोलते बेटा, लास्ट डे नहीं बोलते, yesterday.
yesterday,
So
present perfect tense,
present simple was going on.
present simple tense or present perfect tense. We
Okay.
were making.
Acha, I'm asking this question to Aparna. Aparna, have I given you the use of could for present? No.
No,
So
sir,
please
you
come back
haven't
to your
given.
page of could chapter.
Okay.
I have not given so many sentences in could chapter. Sarika, can you tell me total how many sentences have I given you? How many total sentences have I given you in could chapter?
Sir, you have given us 2 sentences in could chapter.
Okay. Ladies, it is a coincidence. I have got one more mantra here as I opened the page of could. So I am directly giving it to you in English because it is a tongue twister. You can see your CC. Otherwise, I will write it down. A good cook could cook good. A good cook could cook good.
A good cook could cook good. Aparna di.
A good cook, a good cook could cook good. A good cook could cook good. Renu
A,
Bhabhi,
a good cook could cook good. Ritu,
A good cook could cook good.
अब एक साइड हेडिंग लिखिए लेडीज, राइट डाउन वन साइड हेडिंग, एंड द साइड हेडिंग इज good for present. Good for present. Now I will not write on the whiteboard. Listen me and see the CC and write it down. As we know, comma, we can use could for past, but we can use could for present as well. Especially for the permission or request. सारिका प्लीज रिपीट, और जो भी फ्री हो गया वो.
As we know, we can use could for past, but we can use could for present as well, especially for the permission or request.
Renu was ready. Please repeat.
as we know, we can use could for past, but we can use could for present as well, especially for the permission or request.
Ritu,
As we know, we can use could for past, but we can use could for present as well, especially for the permission or request. Aparna?
as we know, we can use could for past, but we can use for present. We can use could for present as well with the uh, with the with the permission, especially special permission or request.
special नहीं, especially for.
Especially for permission or request.
Is it visible to you, ladies?
Yes, sir.
Sarika, read this.
This could happen to your child. Prevent chickenpox. For advice on vaccination, consult your doctor today.
Try to translate according to your.
जी आप अपने बच्चे को इससे बचा सकते हैं, चिकन पॉक्स से बचा सकते हैं अपने फॉर एडवाइस ऑन, हाँ, कंसल्ट योर अपने डॉक्टर को वैक्सीनेशन के लिए की एडवाइस के लिए कंसल्ट करें.
रेनू,
For advice on vaccination,
here.
okay. prevent chicken pox. For advice
From
on
here.
sir, okay. This could happen to your child. Prevent chicken pox. For advice on vaccination, consult your doctor. यह तुम्हारे बच्चे को बचा सकता है चिकन पॉक्स से। सलाह के लिए, वैक्सीनेशन की सलाह के लिए तुम अपने डॉक्टर से सलाह ले सकते हो।
थैंक यू। रितु,
दिस कुड हैपन टू योर चाइल्ड, ये आपके बच्चे को हो सकता है।
यस, एब्सोल्युटली गुड। ये प्रेजेंट के लिए कुड का प्रयोग, आपके बच्चे को भी ये हो सकता है भाई, इसलिए
प्रिवेंट चिकन पॉक्स से बचाएं। फॉर एडवाइस ऑन वैक्सीनेशन कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर। फॉर एडवाइस ऑन वैक्सीनेशन के एडवाइस के लिए अपने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कीजिए आज ही।
अपर्णा।
गुड रितु, दिस कुड हैपन टू योर चाइल्ड, यह आपके बच्चे को हो सकता है। प्रिवेंट चिकन पॉक्स से बचाव कीजिए। फॉर एडवाइस ऑन वैक्सीनेशन, आप वैक्सीनेशन के एडवाइस के लिए कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर टुडे, अपने डॉक्टर से आज ही कंसल्ट करें।
सारिका।
Spend 5 minutes at a Bombay dining showroom, and you could spend 5 days here. आप बॉम्बे डाइनिंग शोरूम में 5 मिनट बिताएं और आप यहाँ 5 दिन स्पेंड कर सकते हैं।
मुझसे एक गलती हो गई थी दोस्तों, इसके नीचे एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत रिजॉर्ट का चित्र था, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया और वो काट के हटा दिया। तो आप मान लीजिए कि यहाँ बहुत खूबसूरत कोई रिजॉर्ट बना हुआ है, तो आप 5 दिन यहाँ बिता सकते हैं। यू कुड स्पेंड, बिता सकते हैं। रितु, सॉरी रेनू।
Spend 5 minutes at a Bombay dyeing showroom and you could spend 5 days here. आप 5 मिनट यहाँ पर बिताइए और आप 5 दिन यहाँ पर बिता सकते हैं। रितु,
Spend 5 minutes at a Bombay dyeing showroom. 5 मिनट बॉम्बे डाइंग शोरूम में बिताइए एंड यू कुड स्पेंड 5 days here, और आप 5 दिन यहाँ रह सकते।
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। अपर्णा।
Spend 5 minutes at a Bombay dyeing showroom and you could spend 5 days here. 5 सेकंड यहाँ पे बिताइए और आप 5 दिन के लिए यहाँ रह सकते हैं।
सेकंड नहीं, मिनट।
5 सेकंड यहाँ पे बिताए, 5 मिनट। ओके
मिनट।
दोस्तों यहाँ पे कुछ हीरो हीरोइन के फोटो बने हुए हैं, ये पता नहीं कौन है, यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज, बट लास्ट वाला पढ़िए जरा। अपने स्क्रीन को आप जूम कर सकते हैं, यू कैन जूम योर स्क्रीन, यू कैन जूम इन, जूम आउट।
इट इज ब्लर।
Yes, sir. My screen is also blur.
Sir, you don't zoom it. Then we can when
अच्छा,
बालाजी टैलेंट
you don't zoom it. You don't zoom it, please. Again, it is looking blur.
Okay, now I am telling you, it is written here, you could be the next. Sarika, speak.
You could be the next. आप
Complete
भी
the question.
अगले हो सकते हैं।
Yes, अगले आप हीरोइन हो सकती हैं यहाँ पे। अगर आप ये बालाजी टैलेंट सर्च में ज्वाइन कर लें तो अगली आप हो सकती हैं। रेनू।
यू कुड बी द नेक्स्ट, आप अगली हीरोइन हो सकती हैं।
हीरोइन
रितु
You
यू
could be the
यू कुड बी
next.
द नेक्स्ट, आप भी अगले हो सकते हैं।
अगले आप हो सकते हैं।
Is it visible?
No, sir.
Okay. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, your kid could be the next Rasna girl or boy. आपका
Yes.
बच्चा भी अगला रसना गर्ल या बॉय हो सकता है।
हो सकता है, प्रेजेंट के लिए बोल रहे हैं। रितु तुम भी बोल दो, हम हटा ले रहे हैं, इसको याद हो गया होगा।
यस, योर किड कुड बी द नेक्स्ट रसना गर्ल और बॉय। आपका बच्चा भी अगला रसना गर्ल या बॉय हो सकता है। Yes.
रेनू,
योर किड कुड बी द नेक्स्ट रसना गर्ल और बॉय। आपका बच्चा अगला रसना का लड़की या लड़का हो सकता है।
रसना बॉय या रसना गर्ल
हो सकता है,
क्योंकि अपन इतना हिंदी करेंगे तो खराब लगेगा। नाउ राइट डाउन वन वेरी फेमस सेंटेंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड in Hindi in good chapter under this heading. क्या मैं राहुल से बात कर सकता हूँ? Question mark. Ladies, whose turn is going on? Please inform me and make this sentence according to your sequence. Who made the last sentence yesterday? Do you remember?
No, sir. That's
अरे,
why I'm taking time. Can I make, sir?
Do you remember the last sentence was in present perfect? No.
Present simple. We were making present simple.
Present simple, yes. The last sentence was बीता हुआ समय कभी वापस नहीं आता, right?
No, sir. It doesn't mean.
हाँ, it
Last
doesn't mean
sentence,
that.
it doesn't mean that.
Now remember, please, who made this sentence? It does not mean that. I think
Sir,
it.
I think Poonam Bhabhi.
Poonam, yeah,
Poonam
Poonam.
Bhabhi made the
Yeah.
last sentence.
So after Poonam, whose go is this? Now calculate and tell me.
Sir, after Poonam Bhabhi, it's my go, na? Or Ritu Didi's go.
Let Ritu make, then you can make the next.
Okay, sir. Okay. That I have to make that sentence. That sentence belongs to good chapter, and this is an inverted
Very nice.
sentence.
रितु, हम हमेशा 2 सवाल पूछते हैं ना लेडीज, जब भी इन्वर्टेड का नाम आता है तो हम वही पूछ रहे हैं। रितु, कैसे पहचाना ये इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस?
सर, इसमें क्या पहले आया है इसलिए इन्वर्टेड।
गुड। दूसरा सवाल, इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने का नियम बताइए।
सब्जेक्ट के बाद वाले शब्द को उठा के सब्जेक्ट के पहले रख देते हैं तो वो इन्वर्टेड बन जाता है।
वेरी नाइस।
Firstly, I will take the helping verb. सर कोड क्या होगा यहाँ पर, नहीं समझ में आ रहा। सर सेंटेंस बना दूं पहले?
नहीं बेटा, हमने पहले दिन से बोलते आ रहे सेंटेंस मेकिंग, ये जो अपना 27 साल तक होता आ रहा था ना, सेंटेंस मेकिंग इज नेवर इम्पोर्टेंट इन दिस क्लास। Description, while description you speak a lot of English, that is more important.
Good. Firstly, I
एक्चुअली
will
ऋतु,
the
ये
word
जो
good.
सारिका को जो ग्रामर में स्ट्रांगनेस आई है ना, वो इन्हीं के चलते आती है और हर बच्चे में ये अपने आप आती जाती है। तो लेट सारिका मेक इट, you listen it, you can make the next sentence.
Okay.
Sarika.
जी सर. This sentence belongs to code chapter and it is an inverted sentence.
Now
Firstly,
I'm not going to ask 2 questions because she has already answered. Carry on.
Firstly, I will take the helping verb and the helping verb is could. Later on, I will take the subject and the subject is I. Thereafter, I will take the first form of the verb and the first form of the verb is talk. Thereafter, I will take the preposition and the preposition is to. Later on, I will take the object and the object is Rahul. Lastly, I will take the सर प्लीज को हम क्या रिक्वेस्टिंग वर्ड बोले यहाँ?
हाँ, you are right.
Lastly, I will take the requesting word and the requesting word is please and I will put full question mark at the end of the sentence and the sentence is could I talk to Rahul please? Sir, am
चलिए
I
हम
audible?
इसी सेंटेंस के साथ सारिका तुम ये फिर हमसे पूछो, हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं, क्वेश्चनिंग आंसरिंग राउंड करते हैं. Renu, listen carefully. Aparna, listen carefully. Ritu's number will come at last.
जी. Sir, could I talk to Rahul please?
Who are you, please?
Sir, I am his friend.
Oh, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Sarika.
Sarika, actually, Rahul is not at home right now. He has gone somewhere. Do you have any message to convey? Do you have any message to convey?
Actually, I wanna this कि we are having plan to go with my best friend. So, is he interested?
Okay, Sarika, I will inform him as he comes home.
That's why I called him.
Okay, I will convey this message to him. यहाँ पे convey the message का अभ्यास करना है बच्चों आपको. So अब काल्पनिक प्रश्न उत्तर है. Now I am asking to Renu. Excuse me, could I talk to Mr. Chopra?
Who are you? Please.
Yeah, I'm the president of Welcame.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
I'm Vijay Ambani.
Okay. Actually, he is not there. So, do you have any message to convey?
Inform him there is a meeting in Singapore on Saturday.
Okay, sir. As he comes, I will definitely convey him.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
In
Okay. Hello, Aparna.
Hi, Bobby. Bobby. Hello.
Hello.
Who's this?
I am Aishwarya Rai.
Okay.
नहीं, I am क्या बोलना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे?
हमने गलत कर दिया. I started now.
I am the ambassador.
Okay. Ambassador from where?
From Mumbai. Okay.
अरे रेनू, सबसे पहले तो ये वाला सेंटेंस बोलना पड़ेगा. Could I talk to कोई भी काल्पनिक नाम, फिर वो पूछेगी कि कौन बोल रहे हैं आप.
हाँ. Okay. Could I speak to? Okay. Aparna, could I speak to Kalpana Srivastav, please?
May I know who is this?
I'm ambassador from Mumbai.
Ambassador from which country?
Ambassador. Mumbai. Which country? India. I'm from India.
Okay. May I help you?
सर अभी क्या करेंगे?
बच्चों, वो अभी जैसे रेनू ने स्पीक बोला, मुझे याद आया, स्पीक ज्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है, तो आप टॉक भी बोले, स्पीक भी बोले। एक बार कोई स्पीक बोल दे तो कोई टॉक बोले, है ना? तो आपको किसी से बात करना है, आपने पूछा क्या मैं फलाने से बात कर सकता हूँ, तो सामने से उत्तर मिला वो तो घर पे नहीं है, या वो तो ऑफिस में नहीं है, कुछ भी काल्पनिक, उनको देने के लिए कोई मैसेज है, डू यू हैव एनी मैसेज टू कन्वे, तो कोई भी काल्पनिक मैसेज दे दे, और कुछ नहीं
ओके
तो ये बोल दे कि एज ही कम्स बैक प्लीज इन्फॉर्म हिम टू टॉक टू मी, जो भी
ओके
हो,
सर सिंपली कर दूं, कुड आई स्पीक टू चिमू प्लीज,
कुछ भी।
है ना? कुड आई स्पीक टू चिमू प्लीज, अपर्णा?
Okay, Bhavi, but he is not at home right now. So, what's your message to convey?
Tell him that there is a small get together in our lane, so be present by 6 o'clock at my place.
Okay, Bhabi, I will convey your message. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Hello. Could I speak to Kshitij?
Well, Aparna, he is not at home right now. You can't speak right now. Who are you? Sorry, Aparna.
Aparna बोल दिया.
तुम्हारा
Who are
नाम
you,
क्या है?
please?
बसंती?
Who are you, please?
I'm his. क्या कहना चाहिए? I'm his colleague. Calling
And
I'm talking from RBI bank, and there is a one message for him. Can you convey my message to him that I'm
what?
calling?
Firstly, please tell me your name, please.
My name is DK Banerjee.
Okay, what is the message for? What is the message for him? Give me your message. I will convey him.
Okay, ma'am. Tell him and that he can come the bank and sign some documents. So please convey this message to him.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely, I will convey your message to him. After lunch, he will come to the bank and he will sign there.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good
Yeah.
day, ma'am.
Bye bye. Thanks.
Ladies, I have shared one photograph. Have you seen? What was written?
Could I talk to Ethan?
Yes. Actually, only yesterday I was watching this movie, and I shared one video as well. It was shared by one junior student, Divedi
Yes,
Namrata
sir.
Divedi.
I have watched
Ah.
video and
So in
message.
that video, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me so many times spoken, है ना? तो जो बच्चे टॉक के साथ विथ लगाने के आती हैं वो
Talk to me.
it is done. अब I'm not gonna give you any more sentence in this. You can send some sentences in WhatsApp. Here, students generally nowadays they use after getting this. Every day they come and they use, could I come in, sir? Could I come in, sir? Like this, they start using in the class. So it is the use of could for present. इसमें शिष्टता बढ़ जाती है. Could is just like may, but may has been very old. Nowadays you can use could. As you have seen, I have seen English movie yesterday only. So could I talk to Ethan? Somebody is talking. So you can use it. and I have shown you some references. And from today onwards, you will get so many references in movies, in series, and here and there. And so we are concluding the class here today. Okay, thank you for joining. God
Thank
bless.
you, sir. Have a nice day.